Hello everybody, it's down to this. This time I'm opening Ayakashi Triangle Vice Swarz pack. Vice Swarz, I don't know much about this, but apparently it's quite collectible. So let's see if we find something great here. In Search of God Stuff, Lucy. Outstanding Talent, Rio. Skewed Perception of Love, Matsuri. They look nice, this character. Prideful Look, Shirogan. Temporary Daily Life, Matsuri. That looks nice, huh? This card. Would you like to try, Rio? Discovering a Feast, Shirogane. Envious Gaze, Susu. The last card is Dreamtime. Okay. Oh, I just saw that it has shine on this card. Envious Gaze. It has some shine here in the side and the bottom. That might be the big card here. Well, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and stay tuned for my next video. Bye.